Welcome traders. Today I'm sharing an amazing trading strategy with you. We've got a new indicator that uses smart computer signals to help you make quick profits. It works well in almost all time frames, whether you're a short-term or long-term trader. So make sure to watch the video till the end if you also want to make more money with this AI-powered trading strategy. So I'm in TradingView, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our indicators. We're going to be using 3 indicators in this strategy. I'm going to be explaining the strategy and the indicator settings in detail. I'll quickly remove these indicators so I can explain everything from the beginning. Let's add the first indicator of the strategy to the chart. So for that, we will click on the Indicators tab and search for third wave in the search bar. After that, add this indicator to my chart. This is how it looks on the chart. This is the main indicator which will give us buy and sell signals. First of all, let's go through the settings for this indicator. We need to make some changes to optimize this indicator for our strategy. So let's open its settings by clicking on this icon. And in the Inputs tab, we will change the zigzag period to 10. Then we will set the minimum retracements to 0.33 and maximum retracements to 0.66. We don't need to change anything in the style section anymore, so we can close these settings. Now let's see how we can use this indicator. Whenever this indicator shows an upwards pointing triangle like this on the chart, it is giving us a buy signal, and we can enter a buy trade here. So for example, if we would have opened a buy position here, we can see this was a very good buy signal given by the indicator. And if we quickly have a look over here, we can see a red triangle. This is a sell signal given by the indicator. This is how you read this indicator. As you can see, this is very simple and easy. But we all know no matter how much accurate an indicator is, it's not logical to use a signal indicator alone in a strategy because it causes us to get more fake signals when the market is in range. So to make our strategy more precise, we will add a second indicator to the chart. In order to do that, we will open the Indicators tab and type Chop Zone in the search bar. We have to add this indicator to the chart. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. So this is how the Chop Zone indicator looks on the chart. We need to optimize this indicator as well. So I will open its settings and in the Inputs tab, make sure the time frame is set to chart. Next, in the Style tab, we will change the color 0 option to green. Then we will change color 1, color 2, and color 3 option to white. Make sure all these options are of the same color. And finally, we will set the color 4 option to red and set all other color options to white. And after you have changed all your settings, make sure to match them with mine so that there is no confusion when we go through the rules of the strategy later in the video. Now, let's see how we can read this indicator on the chart. When the histogram of the Chop Zone indicator is green, as you can see in this area, it is a confirmation for entering a buy trade. And whenever the histogram is red in color, like for example here, it is a confirmation for entering a sell trade. But when these indicators' histogram is white like in these areas, we are not allowed to enter any trades, as this indicates that the market is in rage area. After the addition of this indicator, our strategy is already very accurate. But to make it even more accurate and profitable, we will add another indicator to the chart. So for that again, we will open the Indicators tab and search for Dongxian channel and add this indicator to the chart. This is how it looks. This indicator will help us trade according to the trend of the market. It might have made the chart difficult to read, but no worries, we don't need most of these elements. So let's open the settings of this indicator. In the Style tab, we will disable all options except the basis option. Also, I will make the basis option a little bolder as well. Next, in the Inputs tab, we will change the length to 200, and this is going to be it for this indicator. Now we can close these settings. As we see here, the price is trending above the Dongxian channel indicator. This indicates a rising market momentum. Therefore, we should consider taking buy trades while the market is moving upwards. Conversely, when the market price falls below the Dongxian channel, it suggests a declining market trend. During this downward momentum, it's advisable to consider only sell trades. This indicator proves to be a valuable tool, preventing us from making trades that go against the market trend and helping us avoid potential losses. So now that our chart is set, let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. So for a buy trade to be valid, first of all, we will wait for the third wave indicator to give a buy signal. above the Donchian trend indicator. And then for final confirmation, we will take help from the chop zone indicator. And for a buy trade, this histogram should be green in color. So if all these conditions are fulfilled, we can enter a buy trade. So I will open a buy trade here. We will set the stop loss at the recent swing low for buy trade. And we will exit the trade on the exit target already given by the third wave indicator, which will be right here. So let's see if this would be a profitable trade or not. And as you can see, this was a pretty good profitable trade. Now let's go through one more buy trade example. Here we can see we got a buy signal above the white line of the Donchian trend indicator. And down here, we can see the histogram is also green. So we can open a buy position here. I will set the stop loss at the recent swing low, and we will get out of the trade at these exit signals given. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade using this strategy. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. First of all, we look for the third wave indicator to give a sell signal, and it should be below the Donchian trend line. And for final confirmation, we check the chop zone indicator, and we want its histogram to be red. If everything matches, we can start our sell trade. So I'm going to start one right here. We'll put the stop loss at the recent swing high, and we'll get out of the trade when the third wave indicator tells us to, which will be right here. Let's see if this trade makes us some money. And as you can see, this was a pretty good sell signal given by our indicator. Now let's go through another sell trade example so that there are no confusion left. Here we got a sell signal below the white line of the Donchian trend indicator. And down here, the histogram is also red, so we know it's time to open a sell position. So I'll open a sell position here following the money management rules explained. I found this strategy to be extremely accurate and profitable, and I hope you guys have understood the strategy well. So this is going to be it for this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.